Okay, so what is this color? What is that? Is that a number? Is it a bool? What is it? It's actually a reference to a color. Okay, it's a reference to a color. Okay, or it's a reference to a color. It's not like a 1 or a 2 or 3 or 3.5, some primitive value number. It's a reference. And if I have two references, let's suppose that I have one color that is red, and I have a reference to it. Okay. I might have created something called red in another case, which is functionally it represents the same color. It's called D. Now, if I just say is C equal to D, all it's going to look at is this thing referring to the same one as that one? Okay? It's kind of like, okay, let me put it this way. It would be as if what I'm interested in is my car the same type as your car. And if I just said, is my car the same as your car? You'd say, no, your car isn't my car. You know, yours is yours, mine is mine. But what I'm really interested in knowing is it the same type of car? Is it, or the same category of cars? I don't care whether it's precisely the same object. I care whether it's the same, functionally the same color that it represents. And there are cases where these might happen to be equal, but you don't want to rely on that. What you want to ask is this color functionally the same as that color? Okay, it's a little bit of a hard thing to perhaps think about for color, but there's no guarantees that if I ask for a red, that it will give me exactly the same referent to red. Okay, no more so than if I ask for a taxi in the morning and then a taxi in the evening, it's going to give me the same taxi. What I care about is, you know, do I have a taxi in both cases? Okay. So here, this dot equals thing. The reason it had that was because let's get rid of that. This dot equals is because it's actually testing, are they functionally the same color? Okay. Okay. So yeah, I mean, if I request redness from the red color class, there's no guarantees it's going to give me the same one. Okay. If there were, then I could just do equals, but here I can't.